Yo, what's going on, guys? So in today's video, as you guys can tell from the title, I'm going to be going over some of the mods. It's not all the mods because I'm probably going to forget some shit, but it's most of the shit I got done. So I'm going to start off with cosmetics. In the front, as you guys can see, I do have this beautiful honeycomb grille. It does complement the car very, very well. Look at that. That's just nice. But I do have an S4 badge that I did get off eBay. It looks extremely good. It goes with the Supercharged badge on the side, as you guys can see. Both of them right there. It looks pretty good. I do have coilovers for the car, but they're not on right now, so don't mind the fitment. But moving on to over here, I do have the carbon fiber mirror caps. As you guys can see, this looks so good. It looks so good for what I got inside, and I'll show you guys what I got inside. But it looks extremely well. So moving on to the back, I do have the ECS Tuning Trunk Lip and rear diffuser, as you guys can see. Makes the car look really good. The exhaust, we're gonna get into the exhaust in a second, but those are the AWE tuning exhaust tips. I did have the track exhaust, but I got rid of them. So finally, to the wheel setup. If you guys have me on Instagram, you guys know when I got these. You guys see when I put them on the car. These are the Nietzsche wheels. I don't know what model they are. They start with an M, I think. Not even gonna try to pronounce it, but they look extremely well in this car. At first, when I got them, I didn't really like them. I just got them just to get rims on the car, but they do look pretty badass. They're pretty light, to be honest. And the tires that I did put them on, them, are the Continental Extreme Contact Sport tires, as you guys can see. That looks really good, ain't it? These tires are super, super, super sticky. Like these, the place where I got the tires from, they said this is the stickiest tires that they could that they sell. So I got them, and one of them actually has a nail in them. It's that one back there, and I have to wait a few days because the tires are like expensive and rare or some shit. I don't know. I had to wait like a few days, like 4 days for the tires to come in, but that tire will get repaired in a few days. But the cosmetics that I have done for the inside, I do have the steering wheel wrapped suede. That way it matches the seats, and this looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. The combo is crazy. Looks extremely well. I do have this carbon fiber shifter knob, as you guys can see. That's really nice. I don't have the carbon fiber door inserts. I want to get them, but I'm more focused on speed than looks and anything. But moving on to under the hood. But before we go to the hood, like I said, the coilovers are coming, so the fitment does look like shit. I did have the AWE track exhaust, but I got rid of it. Now I have the AWE tuning exhaust tips to a stock exhaust, but the exhaust is gutted. So moving on to under the hood, the whole engine is completely rebuilt. I don't even want to get into it. I have so much money into this engine as is, but I'm gonna go over like the basic mods that I have done. So I am stage 2 plus from 034 Motorsports. Here is the Supercharger Pulley that I got. It is from ECS Tuning. It's CTS Turbo one, but the belt is from ECS Tuning. As you guys can see, that looks super good. It's a red belt. Just really complements everything red in here. It's really tight. I do have the larger crank pulley at the bottom. That is ECS Tuning brand. I have a giant PLM Heat Exchanger under here, and it looks really dope. You guys can check out my other videos for that. It's just a big heat exchanger, and it works really good. But oh, I do have this ECS Tuning oil cap, because your cars don't come like the B8s. Pretty much every Audi doesn't even come with a dipstick. It comes with just a little nipple cap. That shit's weird. But I do have the Ultracharger file. I do have the APR Ultracharger, as you guys can see. And also I do have the Water Meth Snow Performance kit, but it's not installed right now because I'm getting a supercharger that's polished imported from Jokers, so I can't hook it up to a supercharger that wasn't polished imported. Otherwise it'll eat the inside of it. It'll just eat your supercharger alive. Shit's just real crazy. But I do have that. But oh yeah, I did just do the fuel line relocation kit. That came out extremely nice, super clean. Looks way better than what it did before. As you guys can see, I have more carbon fiber. I have the APR carbon fiber cold air intake inlet. There's a secondary there's a secondary cold air intake also that comes with it. But the tune that I'm on is 034 Motorsports stage 2 plus, and the file that I'm on is test pipes, because I do have gutted cats to a stock exhaust. Ultracharger, they do have the Ultracharger file. And then what was the last one? The HEMI tune. So I did have to rewire the Ultracharger what do you call it? The Ultracharger wiring harness. I had to rewire it, switch some colors around, and then flash it to their HEMI tune for it to work. The tune works extremely amazing. It does have advanced launch control, so that helps out a lot. It's pretty crazy. You guys should, I'm gonna make more videos on that, but you guys should check out my other videos on that. But it's pretty nice. I do have 034 Motorsports track density motor mounts and the ECS Tuning Trans Mount inserts, and basically every insert that they sell. But yeah, everything's looking pretty good. Look at that beast. Yeah, it looks pretty good. But yeah, I'm trying to think. I know I got more done, but I can't think of the top of my head. I know I do have the yellow stuff brake pads inside the garage right now. I am rocking on the red stuff, and to be honest, the way I drive, the red stuff does suck. I do have the ECS Tuning rotors, so I did get their little brake kit or whatever, but I am going to upgrade to the big brake kit eventually. I'm going to see how the yellow stuff performs first, and I'll let you guys know. But if it doesn't perform well, then obviously I'm going to have to get the big brake kit. But yeah, right here, as you guys can see, I have the red stuff. See that red in there? I do have the yellow stuff, but yeah, I'll let you guys know how that turns out. But yeah, this is just some of my mods that I have done to my B8.5 Audi S4. Make sure you guys smash that like button. Subscribe if you guys are new. Subscribe if you guys want to see more stuff. And I do have a giveaway going on right now on Instagram at Dynamic Demon S4. You guys can win some free liquid moly oil. Liquid moly is the only thing I put in my car. This is not sponsored or anything. But they did send me a nice little care package, so I'm giving away an oil change kit to whoever wins. I think it ends on the 15th. And you guys are going to get a liquid moly cup holder, a sticker, and I think a lanyard. I got a bunch of stuff. Just go check it out. It's a free giveaway to enter. All you gotta do is follow and tag some people. But yeah, shit, I'm gonna do one last walk around of the car. We're pretty much done here. I think my whole setup is just badass. Even from the inside. Like, just the carbon fiber and the suede, they just look so good with each other. They just complement each other. They do have a custom air freshener coming too of the car, so that's gonna be pretty dope. I'll show you guys that too when it does come in. But yeah, like and subscribe. Don't forget to get in on that giveaway. It's literally free. Win some free oil. But I'm out. Peace.